Welcome back to the channel. आज की वीडियो में हम इंग्लिश ग्रामर का एक बहुत important topic समझने वाले हैं, helping verbs. इन auxiliary verbs भी कहा जाता है और ये sentence को complete meaning देते हैं. 1. What is a helping verb? Simple meaning, helping verb वो होती है जो main verb की help करती है. ये बताती है कि action कब HUA, किस HUA, or kiss from main HUA. Example, she's reading. Is equals helping verb. Reading equals main verb. 2. Why are helping verbs important? English speaking or writing don't me helping verbs boat zarori hain. Incorrect, helping verb equals wrong sentence. 3. Types of helping verbs with examples. Be verbs. Is, am, are, was, were, ye. Continuous tense Bennett hain. Examples, I am eating. They were playing. Be have verbs, has, have, had, ye perfect. Tense Bennett hain. Examples, she has finished homework. We have completed the task. See do verbs, do, does, did. You question or negative sentences Bennett hain. Examples, do you like tea? He does not play. I did not see him. Do modal helping verbs. Can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must. Uses and examples. Ability, she can swim. Permission, may I come in? Future, I will call you. Advice, you should study. 4. Quick summary for viewers. Helping verbs, main verb ko support kadi hain. U tense, question, negative, or possibility de kadi hain. Without helping verbs, English sentences incomplete ho hain.